it's a pleasure to be here once again on behalf of Grace Foods. We've been working with Miss Josephine for, I think, 5, 6, 7 years now, and it's always the high point of our calendar each year, and we're delighted once again to be sponsoring the Jamaica Basic School event, and we're hoping for a good turnout. Thank you.